Ihram is very important.
Rukn.
So many people miss the prayer because of it. Okay, how many times do we do it? How many times do we say Allahu Akbar?
In fact, once.
Once, okay. You can say it more. If you don't, that's fine. Because if you say it more than once, there are other rules. It has to be an odd number, and the niyyah of the takbirah would be the last one. The first would be qurba, and there are so many things. So if you're not doing it, I'm not going to go into the details. One is enough. Okay. What is jahr and ikhfat? Jahr, reciting loudly, meaning the voice comes from here. Ikhfat is when it's like a whisper, even if it was loud whisper. So, Maraja al-Taqlid usually say al-jahr when the voice comes from the voice box, and ikhfat is when you're whispering, even if sometimes you can whisper loudly. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. This, according to most ulama, is ikhfat. Sayyid Sistani says no. It's about common sense. If people can hear you, that is jahr. If people can't hear you, that is ikhfat. So what we need to do is, what you need to know is, when we're doing salah, some of what there is part of the salah that needs to be in jahr, parts that need to be in ikhfat. In jahr is reading Quran in ruk'at ula and first and second, salat fajr, salat maghrib and salat isha. Ikhfa or silence, reciting Quran in first and second ruk'ah in salat dhuhr and asr. Okay? And also the third and fourth rak'ah, always, always, there is ikhfa. There are exceptions. If you are reciting Surah Al-Fatiha and in the third rak'ah, because in the third rak'ah you want to recite Surah Al-Fatiha, it's mustahab to say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim with a jahr. And also in Dhuhr and Asr, it is ikhfa generally, but Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim mustahab, the jahr. Except another exception to the exception if you are in Jama'ah. So anyways, so Sayyid Sistani says, the loud ones make the voice come from the voice box. The silent ones, it's whisper and don't make it so loud, okay? The jahr in Takbiratul Ihram is not required, okay? Usually, we do jahr in Takbiratul Ihram for the Salah, Fajr and Maghrib and Isha. It doesn't do. The seven takbirat, it doesn't matter about that. Intention of qurba, to comply with the pleasure, or niyyah. Niyyah for takbiratul ihram is qurba. Raising hands is a mustahab, not wajib.
So, when you're reciting Furada in a Jamaat, you are not supposed to recite anything Jahr? Even if but you are reciting Furada, but you are with a Jamaat.
Okay, here's the case. You are in a Jama'ah.
Yeah.
And this is third rak'ah. Third rak'ah. So you have to recite, you have to read either Tasbih or Surah Al-Hamd. And you decide to recite Surah Al-Hamd. Okay? So now you do it ikhfat, not silent. Even Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim silent.
Silent, yeah.
And this is ihtiyat. This is ihtiyat. Okay? This is not a fatwa, this is ihtiyat.
Right.
Okay.
I think even if it's, let's say, Fajr Namaz and you're in a Jamaat and you are praying Furada, so you will read silently. You won't be loud.
That's fine. Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah, it's respect of the Jamaat, yeah.
No, I mean, I'm saying it from my experience. Because when we are there in the Haram, you know, in Saudi, you can't be reading loud, you know.
Furada you pray, no? When you start in Jamaat, you must be in the Jamaat. Otherwise, it's coming. You take it to you in the jail. Yes.
You have to join the Jamaat. You cannot be there at
Jamaat.
You have to join the Jamaat. But you will pray Furada.
Yeah.
Even if it's a Wahhabi reading.
No, you can't, you know. Behind there used to be. Just a
Yeah. I pray. I always pray with one hand. Always pray with one hand.
Allahu Akbar. It's mustahab to say A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajeem before starting. And this is always in ikhfat, silent. Okay. Then Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Always jahr, mustahab, except if it's in Jama'ah. Salat al-Jum'ah, or say qunut. For qunut, when you are praying alone, not in Jama'ah, generally. Qunut, it is mustahab to raise your voice so you can hear it. Okay, it doesn't have to be shahr, it doesn't have to be loud, but raise it so you can hear. So Salat al-Dhuhr and al-Asr, usually you're reciting silently. قل هو الله أحد الله بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد اللهم كن لي وليك. Hear yourself. This is important. This is a mustahab. It's not wajib. Taqtiya. There is one case where people, they're reciting and they should be reciting jahr loudly, and at the end of each word, the last letter is silent. Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, Ar-Rahman. For some maraja, it's a problem. For say it's a stani, say it's obligatory precaution to not do it. So obligatory precaution, when you're reciting loudly, the whole thing should be loud. Okay, and that makes sense.
Now, if it is like Zuhr or Asr Namaz,
Yeah.
and you have to read silently,
Yes.
but if you read it aloud, then
Intentionally, there's a problem. If you forgot, that's okay. If you forgot, once you remember, now you continue silently. If you forgot. But intentionally, you can't do it. There's a problem. And you generally, always, Dhuhr and Asr is silent, except when you're reciting it in the day of Jum'ah. Okay? You're praying at your home or wherever, Furada, not a Jama'ah. It's the day Friday. Salat al-Dhuhr itself, it is mustahab to recite jahr.
Okay.
Salat al-Dhuhr, Dhuhr itself, not Asr. And not the whole thing, only Qira'at al-Quran. First and second rak'ah, it is mustahab to do it loudly. Mustahab. So now we come to reciting Surah Al-Hamd and another complete surah. Any surah, yes, any surah from the small surahs, but there's something you have to realize. Some surah of Quran al-Kareem are divided in the copy that we have. So the Quran, where in Mus'haf Sayyid al-Zahra and Ahl al-Bayt is the same. But we have, like for example, one surah that is divided into two in the version that we have. So if I want to recite it in the namaz, in my prayer, after Al-Fatiha, I have to do both of them because they both count as one. Surah Al-Duha, Surah Al-Inshirah, وَالضُّحَى وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا سَجَى أَلَمْ نَشْرَحْ لَكَ صَدْرَكَ وَوَضَعْنَا عَنْكَ وِزْرَكَ. These are one surah. So if you want to read them together. So what you do actually, you do Al-Fatiha, Al-Duha, Al-Inshirah. They are not three, they are two, because these two are one. Another one, Al-Fil, ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل وقريش لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء. These are also one. This is very rare, but if you want to do it, at least you know. So now you know, if you want to read a new surah, make sure it is not one of these. Okay? Usually we recite Surah قل هو الله أحد, which is enough. There are other surahs mustahab, but قل هو الله أحد is most mustahab. Mistakes in reciting, okay. There are letters that we have mistakes when we're saying Alhamdu. Try not to say Alhamdu. Actually, let me move on because here we have the Surah Al-Fatiha. But don't make mistakes when you're saying this letter Hamdu, Al-Alamin, غير المغضوب. What's the problem? Some people say Alhamdulillah. It is actually Alhamdulillah. Ha, not ha, not H. It's a letter Ha. It's not. It doesn't have an equivalent in English. Try and pronounce it from the throat, not from the ceiling of your mouth. So H is you're whispering and your throat is open. Try and squeeze the throat. Ha. Alhamdu. Al-Alamin. Some people say Al-Alamin. It's actually Alamin. غير المغضوب. It's not غير المغضوب. It's غير المغضوب. ضاد غير المغضوب. not غير المغضوب. not غير المغضوب. غير المغضوب. ضاد غير المغضوب. It's very heavy. It's one of the letters that are unique to Arabic language. Okay. After reciting Surah Al-Fatiha, it's mustahab to say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Wala ad-dallin, Alhamdulillah. After reciting Surah Qul Huwallahu Ahad, Allahu Samad, Lam Yalid wa Lam Yulad wa Lam Yakul Lahu Kufuwan Ahad, it's mustahab to say Kadhalik Allah. That is exactly how Allah is. Kadhalik Allah. Kadhalik Allah Rabbi. That is my God. That is Kadhalik Allah Rabbuna. That is our God. These are mustahab. Saying Ameen after Salatul after
Fatiha.
If you do it with the niyyah of wajib, like the Sunni does, it voids the whole salah. If you do it with the niyyah of wajib. There's only one case when you can do it, which is taqiyya. If you are fearing for your life, someone is listening and they want to see if you want to say it or not, that case, but this is not a case that we're living in. It used to be something like this in all times. So some person might say, okay, why is saying this haram and saying this halal? Why is this avoiding the namaz and the salah and this is mustahab? We say it is not up to us. And also when they say this, because they say this is a wajib, we do this as a mustahab. We have narrations that say any dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, subhanallah, alhamdulillah, in the prayer is okay. This is not zikr of Allah. This is Ameen means Ameen. And also when they say this, it means the recitation of Surah Al-Fatiha is not reciting the Quran, it's reciting a dua. Because Ameen, you say it after you finish a dua. Oh Allah, give me this, give me that. Ameen means please, Allah, listen to me, or give me what I ask. So Surah Al-Fatiha, you do it with the niyyah of Qur'an or the niyyah of dua. There's a problem. There's a very big problem.
So, what if you recite two small surahs?
Yeah.
Intentionally or unintentionally?
Only one.
So you've done Alhamd and you've unintentionally done two, or forgotten and you've done two.
Unintentionally, I'm not sure, but
Okay.
I will look it up. I'm not sure, but I will look it up. Actually, recitation is wajib, not rukn.
Not rukn.
So even if you didn't recite, there's no problem.
Unintentionally.
Yeah. I know what, if you do it unintentionally, I think it's either okay or you have to do sujood sahw. But intentionally, I think there's a problem. Okay. This is Surah Al-Fatiha. By the way, if anyone wants to practice reciting the Fatiha with me later, I am available either here or at my home or wherever. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. When we pause, we don't say tashkil, fatha. This is Al-Alamina. If I stop here, I say Al-Alameen. If I join, I say Al-Alamina. So, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, or Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Okay? If you don't want to join and you want to pause and you memorize it like that, it's fine. You don't have to go into that. If you're not sure or you're not memorizing, you want to write it on a piece of paper or even open the Quran when you're standing up, it's fine. Who says you can't hold the Quran or you can't hold a piece of paper to make sure your recitation is okay? It doesn't void the salah.
Or mobile.
Or a mobile phone. Yeah. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Or Maliki Yawmiddin. Two recitations are accepted. Maliki, the owner of Yawmiddin, of the Day of Judgment, or Maliki, the king of Yawmiddin, of the Day of Judgment. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Nasta'in, not nasta'in, nasta'in. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Right, so
مستقيم, not مستقيم.
So one question there. So Maliki is a key, yeah, and ihde is not ihdi.
اهدنا.
Is it ihdi or ihde?
اهدنا. اهدي. اهدي.
Ihdina sira.
اهدنا.
Ihdina. Not ihdina sira.
No, اهدنا.
Ihdina sira. And Maliki yawmiddin.
Yes. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. مغضوب, not مغضوب, مغضوب. ولا الضالين, not ولا الضالين, ولا الضالين. Okay? ضالين.
In Pakistan, everybody says Mazub.
مغضوب.
Where did that come from?
Even the
Accent.
All Shia ulama Quran as well. They read it. Wala Zul.
Actually, in Pakistan, the problem is that they teach Arabic as in Urdu. You know,
Yeah.
that's the whole problem. You see.
How-
They recite the whole
However, I asked
Yeah.
I asked Maulana Marufi about this, and he says because it's an accent thing, like brother says, if it's an accent thing, then it's okay. You can recite behind the person as well.
I've been going this problem really for 7-8 years and thinking about it for the
No, don't worry, yeah.
Okay,
So
if you
ये
can
जो
say
बता रहे
Dalin,
हैं,
you say Dalin.
आम
of course.
पब्लिक के लिए
For
मारूफी
them-
का जवाब सही
For
है।
them, we're saying
आम
maybe they
public
have
के
an
लिए।
excuse.
But if you know it,
अब नहीं कर सकते
हम्म।
कोई बंदा एक्सेंट चेंज नहीं कर सकता आवाम तो ज्यादा है
hmm,
ये तो हम आगे के लिए कर रहे हैं ना
hmm,
जिसको ज्यादा आता है वो थोड़ा सा
better,
बेहतर है।
improve, yeah.
There is
For-
an Iraqi guy came in the Jamaat. They said one day, he said, "Why are you reciting in your Arabic language in your own language?"
That's the best we can do.
Everything is Arabic. Why are you trying to change into your own language?
That's the problem in Pakistan. You see, Arabic is taught as
Yeah.
Urdu.
the words are in Urdu, you know.
So many, well, after in the 70s, after the Iranian Revolution, we started receiving ulama from Iran in Syria because we didn't have, because political
Hmm.
atmosphere, we didn't have maraja and ulama. So anyways, they used to say Allahu Akbar. This is how they say it. And Arabic people started saying it like that.
Hmm.
Say the Virgin at the alim is saying Allahu Akbar, and he stands and says Allahu Akbar. So why are you doing like that? You're Arabic, you know what it is. Yeah, but Virgin is saying, alim is saying it wrong. You can do better. So
Hmm.
there is a big problem. The ignorance that people suffer.
You know, since Imam Khomeini is passed away, right now is too different on the prayer, Shia prayer actually. I never seen it before. If you look at the Agha Khamenei, Agha Sistani, Agha Khomeini on the video, they're doing the normal prayer. But right now Iran is doing something like that. And
I have no idea. I really
something
Yeah.
Right, we've got 5 more minutes, inshallah. We've got five more minutes,
different.
inshallah.
So this is Surah Al-Fatiha. These are أحكام التجويد. The med. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. الرحمن. We didn't say Lam. الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. And so on. If you want to practice it.
With the prayer, we just going so quick, you know. Alhamdulillah, like if you're reading it, you just going Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen,
The answer is every letter has to be pronounced.
Hmm.
It's not about quickly or slowly. You might say it quickly, but pronounce every letter. That's the rule.
Hmm.
Do you have to stop?
Sorry?
There's a rule of stopping.
The rule
If you don't stop.
Okay.
That is the next study circle, inshallah. Rules of Tajweed.
Because if you're reading it quickly and you're showing them, you have to read this haraka.
Nar, yeah.
So you can't say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman. There's a problem. You have to say it like this. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Maliki Yawm Al-Din Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim Sirata alladhina an'amta alayhim. So on. This is the surah, the second surah very quickly. قل هو الله أحد أحد not أحد قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. This is written. You know how to read Arabic. Ya kaf nun yakun lahu. But this letter is not pronounced.
Yeah, kullahu.
So it's pronounced yakullahu, as if it was written like this. Yakullahu. ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. This is called idgham. And Surah Qul Huwallahu Ahad has 4 different recitations.
Hmm.
It's all in this word kufwan. You can pronounce it in 4 ways. All of them are acceptable. Kufwan Ahad, Kuf'an Ahad, Kufuwan Ahad, and Kufu'an Ahad. So how do you pronounce it?
Kufuwan.
Kufu'an? Kufuwan. That's okay. That's one of the 4 accepted ways.
Okay. And similarly, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, isn't it? It's not an. Right.
We don't say ashhadu an la, we say ashhadu alla.
Allah ilaha.
Actually,
In
we can
Azan
say
and
ashhadu.
the Tashahhud.
We can. For tashahhud,
I don't know what you're talking about. आप उठते हो 9:30 बजे, पढ़ते हो बहुत तेज, और 2 बजे आपको काम पे जाना है, आप ये सवाल को 2 बजे
लगा दिया भाई, लगा दिया, तो मैंने लगा दिया।
ilaha. This noon
Does not pronounce, yes.
or you can pronounce it. You either say ashhadu an la ilaha, or you say this is right, but not the best way. The best way is say ashhadu an la ilaha.
Allah ilaha
The
illallah.
other one, ashhadu anna Muhammadan. Anna. This you have to say it, and
Yeah.
you have to say it with stress. Ashhadu anna. Some people recite this noon here.
Right.
People. They say ashhadu an la ilaha, and their tashahhud is
Void.
wrong, and their prayer is mistake.
Hmm.
I know a person, he's 40 something years old, and he has a problem, he has two problems in his tashahhud. He say this anna la ilaha, and say washhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu, Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. He can't change. He said he must say Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. You can't say wa'ala, you can't say wa'ala ali bayt. You have to say it exactly as it is. So I told him, do you realize that your tashahhud has a problem? And now he's repeating all his salah.
Is repeating all his salah.
What is the right Darud? Allahumma salli ala Muhammad.
We're going to come to it inshallah next week when we talk about tashahhud, when we talk about tasbihat and tashahhud. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. Exactly, word for word, letter for letter. If you change one, you say اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد. No. If you say اللهم صل على محمد وعلى أهل بيت محمد. No. You can't.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala
وآل
Muhammad.
محمد. That's the way, and that's the only way.
Yeah, we had that.
Muhammad wa ala Muhammad is not
No,
right.
no, it's no. على محمد وآل it's okay because it's not adding a letter, it's adding تشكيل. Okay, so you might either say اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد or اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. It's okay.
Yeah.
Both are okay. The problem is when you say, for example, وعلى آل محمد or وعلى آل بيت محمد or وعلى أهل بيت محمد. There's one person is always when he's saying salawat, he says اللهم صل على محمد وعلى أهل بيت محمد. There's a problem here because actually is one final one. أهل البيت. What's different between آل البيت and أهل البيت? We say آل محمد. آل means progeny. And by that we refer to al-Ma'sumi, 12 Imam, and Sayyid al-Zahra. This is Al. When we say Ahl, in the Quran, إِنَّمَا يُرِيدُ اللَّهُ لِيُذْهِبَ عَنْكُمُ الرِّجْسَ أَهْلَ الْبَيْتِ. Ahl al-Bayt means the 5 of Ahl al-Kisa. So Ahl al-Bayt means Amir al-Mu'mineen, Sayyid al-Zahra, Hassan, Hussein, and of course Rasulullah. So when you say وَعَلَى أَهْلِ, that is 5 people. When you say Ali, that is 14. Someone was near Imam Sadiq. Rasulullah was mentioned. So the person said, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ahli. Imam Sadiq says, لَقَدْ ضَيَّقْتَ عَلَيْنَا. You have committed a problem. You have ضَيَّقْت. You have what's the word?
Zulm.
Zulm. You have committed a zulm against me. The person, what do you mean, Imam? Don't you know Ahlul Bayt, only Ashabul Kisa alayhim as-salam?
Okay.
So this is important to realize. When we say وَعَلَى أَهْلِ بَيْتِ Muhammad, it is not the best way to say it. Say always وَعَلَى آلِ. General. Not all, in Salah you have to say it as it is. But generally, when we say وَعَلى أَهْلِ الْبَيْتِ, it means the 5 Ahlul Kisa. So it's better to say وَعَلى آلِ الْبَيْتِ.
So, however, the hadith, Salaman minna Ahl al-Bayt or?
Yes, the hadith is Salman minna Ahl al-Bayt. But this hadith, you have to understand it. It doesn't mean that
He's not one of the 5, yeah, no.
he's not part of the 5, and he's not as same as the 14. So you have to understand it like that. Okay. Inshallah, we will continue next time.
Allahumma salli